All right, Ian E here from Slip the Jab podcast. Here we are trying out, like I mentioned I would, some of the Manscaped products that they sent me and Lino. So this is going to be the first test. I'm going to do a little trim up on my man's hair right here. We're going to give it the real test. We're going to see if it works. So nothing too crazy, but this will show us if this product's worthy for our support. Here we go. Getting it live. The light, pretty awesome, pretty awesome. Let's see, we'll do a little shaking here. All right. Come around here. That line in there. Gonna go with the hard part coming around here. Come back to that to finish up. Do a little trim around the ears. Nice line. Nice crisp line here. The light definitely helps. This little light on here. I mean, I don't have too bad lighting where I'm at right now, but granted, wherever I do things and other things, the lighting is not typically that great, so this will definitely come in handy. All right, looking good, looking good. Sorry if I'm blocking the camera here. Head down, please. Bend your chin to your chest. I'm not doing a full haircut with these, just to clean up. Just to clean up so you're ready to go out. Of course, with Manscaped products, you're going to want to clean up everything. With the little guy in play, I'll leave that to your imagination without going into full detail. But you all get the point. It's looking good. They're working pretty good. Tilt your head this way a little, sir. All right, like this. In a second, I'll try to spin them around so you guys can get a better view. Pretty much doing the same thing on the other side. Cleaning them up so he's ready for action. Do a little spin if this spins. Hold still. Doing good. I am liking the light. I'm not gonna lie, I like the light. Help things out. All right. You know what? The edges look pretty good. As you can see, turn this. Trimmed up well. No cuts, no marks. So, yeah. So far, product number 1 gets our approval. I'll let you know how the other ones go to be continued. Thanks, folks, for watching.